Welcome students, myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the standard 9 mathematics. Okay, so as per the previous session we have already learned about the surface area and volume related to the cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and hemisphere and sphere. Okay, this is today's is the last topic of the surface area and volume of the related to the sphere and hemisphere, and today this is the last topic for the surface area and volume, chapter number 13. Okay, so let's start without wasting a time. Okay, so first of all we are moving to start from the volume of the hemisphere. Okay, that is, from that we have to continue. So as per the last session we already learned that volume of the sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so in this today's session we are moving for the some more example related to the sphere and hemisphere and with their volume. Okay, so here is some example, that is, first of all we have to take, if the radius of the sphere is double, what is the ratio of their volume of the first sphere to the second sphere? Okay, radius of sphere is double. Now surface area and volume, that is our topic, and for our surface area and volume, that is for the sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so my question is that my radius of sphere is double. There is a two sphere, that is original, one of the original and second is new. For the original, radius of sphere, that is x, and for the new, my radius of sphere is double, that is 2x. Okay, for first sphere, that is my radius is as it is x, and for the second sphere, okay, that is a new sphere, then he said that the radius is double. Okay, now what is the ratio of the volume of the first sphere to the second sphere? Okay, now we have to say the ratio of the for the volume of the sphere. Okay, so for that, first one, volume of original sphere upon volume of new sphere. We have to find the ratio of this volume, so we have to divide both of them. Okay, then volume of the original sphere, that is 4/3 pi r cube upon 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 I cancel out, pi also cancel out. For the original sphere my radius is x, so x cube, and for the new sphere my radius is double, therefore we have to take as a 2x cube. So therefore my answer is x cube upon 2 cube is 8, 8x cube, x cube I cancel out, therefore my answer is 1 upon 8. Okay, so my ratio is 1:8. Okay, for the original to the new. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for this next question, that is, okay, we have to move for the questions that is regarding to their textbook. That is, one of them is a hemispherical tank is made up of the iron sheet 1 cm thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, and then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. Okay, here my hemisphere is thick. Okay, and the thickness is given in this hemispherical tank. like this. Okay, hemispherical tank is like this. Okay, this is a thickness that is a 1 centimeter given. Okay, now the inner radius is 1 meter. Inner radius from this to this, that is 1 meter. Okay, from this part to this part, the radius is 1 meter. Then find the volume of the ions used to make the tank. We have to find the volume of the ion that is used, that is volume of this part. Okay, we have to find the volume of this part. So for that we have to use volume of ion. Okay, volume of ion is equal to volume of inner tank minus volume of outer tank. Okay, there is a two tank in this formation. One of them is this inner part, okay, and second one is this outer part. So we have to subtract outermost part from the innermost part. So we have to find the middlemost part of the ion of that volume. Okay, we have to find the volume of the ion. So that's why we have to take outermost parts volume and innermost parts volume. Okay, so that is here is my mistake. So we have to write outer tank first and after that inner tank for inner part second. So for the volume of ion, okay, this is a hemisphere. Outermost part is also a hemisphere and innermost part is also a hemisphere. So that we have to take 4 by 3 pi r cube minus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here is the most important difference, that is here this radius is for outer radius and this radius for the inner radius. So for that we have to notify that between. So I'll keep okay students. So as per we know that here the outermost tank is different and innermost tank is different. For that both of them we have to take different radius for that. Okay, for that reason I have to notify r and r radius as a different, as capital R and small r, to define both of them the radius are different. Okay, so for that we have to take common 4 by 3 pi from both of them and my r cube minus r cube r remain. Okay, so 4 by 3 take pi as a 22 by 7 into radius of the outermost tank, that is my radius is 1 plus 1 centimeter, 1 meter plus 1 centimeter, that is 1.01 meter, that is my 1.01 meter. So for that we have to write 101 upon 100 cube minus 1 cube. Okay, 1 centimeter to meter we have to divide them by 100. Okay, right. So for that 1.01 I write as a 1.01 not 100. 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. Okay, so for that we have to write at here 4 by 3, that is 22 4 ja 88 by 27. Okay, 88 by 27 into 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. Okay, 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. For that we have to calculate that cube of 101, that is 101 into 101 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. that is 10201, and now also multiply with the 101, that is okay. So take 2 zeros, 10, 10201, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and 10201. Okay, so 1030301. So my answer is 1000 divided by 100, therefore 100 cube, that is 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 1.0303, 1.030301 minus 1. So we have to calculate that 88 by 7 into 0.030301. Okay, 0.030301. So after that calculating, okay, calculate this part. Calculate this part fast, students. After the calculating this part, we have to got the answer, that is 0.063 approx. Okay, approx we have to got 0.063 meter cube. Okay, this is the approx answer. So students, if there you have to calculate that you got any other answer, then it's okay, but it's a approx answer, so you have to write as a 0.06 only to clear that. Okay, clear, students? Now we have to move for the next question. Capsule medicine in the shape of the sphere and radius diameter is 3.5 mm. Okay, okay. Now the question is a capsule of medicine in the shape of the sphere of diameter 3.5 mm, that is diameter is given as a 3.5 mm, capsule in the shape of the sphere. How much medicine in mm cube is needed to fill in this capsule? How many medicine are needed to fill in this capsule? Okay, so for that we have to convert this first into radius. So 3.5 divided by 2, so for that 35 by 20 mm, that is my radius. So volume of the sphere, that is the shape of the sphere. Okay, so for that volume of the sphere, okay, for that volume of the sphere we have to count. Okay, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r, that is my 35 by 20 into 35 by 20 into 35 by 20. Students, here in previous question there is a hemispherical tank given, but I'll take volume of the sphere and the formula is a volume of sphere, so that there is my mistake in the previous question. Okay, so please clear out that and take 2 by 3 pi r cube in the previous question, that is as a hemispherical tank and made up of the iron sheet. Okay, okay, previous question that we done, that answer is approx 0.06. so in that we have to take volume of the hemispherical tank as 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is there my mistake. So please notify that and please correct that and write it for 2 by 3 pi r cube, not a 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, please correct that and got to answer that, and answer is corrected, that is 0.6. okay, 0.063. okay, so 7 ones are 7 5s are 5 ones are 5 4s are 4 I cancel out, 5 sevens are 5 4s are 5 sevens are, and 5 4s are 2 2s are 2 11s are. There is not any kind of the cancellation are here done. Okay students, so now remaining part is, that is 11 into 7 sevens are 49, 11 into 49 by 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 11 into 49 by 24, cancel out that, multiply and divide with the 24, then you got the answer. Okay, then your answer may be, that is 22.45 mm cube, 22.45 mm cube. Okay, clear that? Okay, clear that? Please note down the past. Okay students, now we have to move for the last question, that is diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What is the fraction of the volume of the earth to the volume of moon? Same kind of the sum we have to done in the previous sessions. Okay, so students, note down this question for your homework, and as per this question we have already done same kind of the question in the previous sessions, or same kind of the questions we are done. Okay, so please note down this question, that is a diameter of the moon approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What is the fraction, what fraction of the volume of the earth is what to the volume of the moon? And this question is also given in your textbook. So please note down this question as homework. I am not writing it ahead, I am not writing it here. Okay, so students, all kind of the questions are clear, all kind of questions are done at here from the textbook, that is most important. Okay, I hope you have to understand all these things in the today's session, and there is a lots of mistake done by me at here, so please ignore that, and till then, goodbye and stay blessed.